running down the road because the traffic got so caught up. Oh, bunch of fucking dumbasses. Idiots. Alright, so I finally made it out to Kelly Drive after that craziness on 95. It's 5 o'clock, so we don't have too much time out here, but definitely get a nice ride in. It's really nice over here. Really beautiful part of the city. So we should get a nice little ride in. Check that out. Let me get suited up here and get the bike off and get the tire mounted. And that thing's cool. Holy crap. You're going to see a lot of cool stuff. I'll show you some cool stuff. Some cool views. Just taking a break and enjoying the view. This is like new, I think. This whole, I'm not even sure what it is or what you would call it, but it's pretty fucking awesome. It's got to be new. It looks new. It's like a boardwalk, but it's cement, and it's pretty awesome. So I forget how farther much down this goes, but I think we might try to take a little cruise through the city and stuff too before we get out of here. If I'm sure you guys will be cool with that. I don't really know how the format of this video is gonna be. I guess it's just gonna be me riding and bullshitting, but I don't know. It seems to be working out okay. The fucking flash. I've been fighting with this lighting on this camera all day long. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it, but like as soon as I turn it off and turn it back on, it goes dark again. You just can't figure it out. So anyway, mount the camera back to that thing, and I'm actually surprisingly fast. I didn't think I was gonna be this fast, like, but I don't even feel no weight. And this bag, by the way, is what is this? Recycled firefighter? Yeah, and it's fucking badass. It's really thin, so like if you're into biking and shit like that, that's definitely the bag I would get for sure. It's like it feels like it's nothing on you. I'm not looking at the lens. My lens is dirty, actually. There's probably all kinds of bugs and shit hitting it. Oh, and by the way, I'm like literally holding the camera over water. Over there, I put the camera so I could get like the shot, and this little kid walked by, and I'm like, please don't touch that. Like, he had just knocked the camera and it would have fell into the fucking water. I would have been like, oh my fucking god, what the hell? What the hell, you little bastard? This is why I don't, like, you know, I just try to stay away from kids because there's too many damn pedophiles out there. You know what I mean? Like, I love kids and stuff like that, and like, kids are cool, but like, yo, like, get that thing away from me, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? You like, it's like you look at you like a kid or something, and people are like, look at you weird anymore. So, keep your fucking kid away from me. No, I'm just kidding. I just took my $1,000 road bike over cobblestones. I'm lifting my whole bike in the air because I don't know taking it off the camera. That's a very big building. Oh. Oh, it's a climb. This is heavy. That's the biggest building on the East Coast, I think. This is brand new. It's fucking awesome looking. Too busy watching me. They look small from far away, but damn, that thing is cool. Imagine, what if you just saw Batman just chill? So there's two things that we're fighting against right now. One, daylight. Two, the battery life on my camera. This is my second battery, but the other one wasn't all the way filled up, charged. So I don't know. I think the daylight, we're losing daylight, so we're just probably gonna head back to the car. So let me ask Google though. Let's see. What time will it go dark in Philadelphia? 7:43 it says. Oh. Sunset, 7:43. We got time. I mean, yo, look, I can rip this thing back to the car in anywhere from where we're at in Center City in probably like 10 minutes. So we're good till like 7:30. It's only 6:30 now. I mean, I guess we got plenty of daylight. It seems like it's gonna be dark, but it's just the buildings and all that shit blocking the view, the sun. So let's just stay out here for a little while, and then if it gets too dark with the buildings or whatever, then we'll head back to the car. No big deal. Worst comes to worst, I'll put my light on, which is really fucking bright, and I don't want to do that because I have to zip tie it. But hey, sacrifices to be made. like my body, I'm not like tired, but it's getting dark. I'm really fucking hungry, and I'm gonna head back to the car. It's getting dark. Still got my freaking sunglasses on, but I'm gonna head back to the car. I probably got like 10 miles away or something like that. I don't know. By the time I get to the car, it's gonna be pitch black out, unless I ride like fast as shit the whole time and don't stop. So that's what I plan on doing, and I'll try to record as much as I can because my battery is gonna die too. So. So there's a million places to eat in Center City, Philadelphia, and I end up at Chipotle. I am so hungry, so it's actually dark out, but it's all good. I'll just, I'm gonna eat by the bike because I don't have a lock, and it's just kind of chilling here. I don't want to eat inside and have to be out here. Somebody will steal the bike for sure. If they see this thing, it's gone. So I'm gonna eat, and then we'll head back to the truck and get out of here. But it was an awesome ride. It was tough to like even leave, you know what I mean? Like I don't even want to, I just ride around the city all day. So I might do it again. Now, tomorrow I'm probably going to be real busy, but next weekend I'm going to come back and do this for sure. Like I'm going to buy that carbon bike. Like I'm addicted. It was a lot of fun, but I know some things safety wise I need to get done for the bike. This like camera ordeal I have going on here, it's just not really working out at all, but whatever. I don't have a GoPro yet, so let me eat and then we'll ride back to the truck, which should be a pretty good ride too. It's probably about 5 miles, so not a bad little night ride through the park and back to the truck. Oh, I had the camera going. Anyway, I'm done, but I think I need to stay here for like 3 hours. I don't think I can move. It's probably a bad idea to get a burrito the size of my head. And also I got a soda. That was a terrible idea. Whew. I'm stuffed and I'm tired, and I have to ride back. Loud mouth down here, causing a ruckus with everyone. Yep. Maybe if I just close my eyes for a minute. Probably my bike will probably be gone. That would suck. But it's also true. Alright, I'm done stuffing my face with burritos. Now I'm gonna head back to the truck. Should be like a 5-mile ride, but it's dark as shit and all my lights are not working. Or at least the one here isn't working. That's the strobe. And you kind of need that, but whatever. I think I'll survive. I got reflectors on the pedals. That'll work. I have the front light working, so that's good enough. And if you miss this thing with the fucking camera on it, then you're an idiot. But we'll see how long it takes to get back to Kelly Drive. That's where the truck is, and then we will go back home and edit this video. But oh my god, my taint hurts. You know, like the place in between your balls and your ass hole, that is sore. Like it legit fucking hurts. So yeah, that was a specialized. We had a specialized bike. That was cool. We should catch up to it.